about the mitigation here. We are not talking about the IPL considered here. We are talking about the what is the alarm available. If alarm is not, if operator have the time to react to the alarm or not. If it is yes, if it is not possible to react to it, what will be the impact? Accordingly, how to assign the priority.
It is a part of the root cause. So how can I take a credit for this alarm?
No, root cause. No. Root cause not. See, BPCS failure is not a root cause in alarm. In ETC, we are talking about the. We are not talking about disease. We are not discussing the disease failure here. We are not discussing any failures here.
This
we are
is
discussing
about alarms. What will happen?
we are discussing about the alarms only. We consider the alarm the process PNID. What is the purpose of this alarm?
So guys, I mean, see, there may be different causes for the high level. Maybe
there are different causes.
Yeah. So don't worry. In that case, this is we are talking about high level in this one. So you don't consider the LCV malfunction fail. Maybe there may be another reason. If this manual wall remains closed, this would also be the reason. Normally, we consider any blockage in the downstream of this slack tension will create.
Yes.
See, think in perspective of process. Okay, process abnormalities, not in the system, not in the transmitter failure, not system failure here.
So
system is available to create alarm here.
Any blockage.
See, above mentioned malfunction rules control loop failure is not correct. Cause of alarm.
No,
it is not a control. Yeah, it is not a control loop failure, no.
No, this for another one.
Correct. Why?
That is one of the cause.
One of the cause. No. We are not discussing system failures here. See, we have the workshop.
No. Likely.
Sorry to say this. For example, I have the existing madam workshop report. It never like this.
Okay, so what could be the causes? What could be the causes? Let us discuss. Don't worry.
No. Process wise, you have to. You mentioned control loop failure.
See this point. I mean, we have taken actual discussion. If
correct, Chairman, we did. We should not copy directly from the Azab.
No problem, Guru. I agree. So, guys,
we should debate about the process. Okay, what will be the root cause? What is the available in the pain AD? What are the causes can give this control failure?
Okay, let us discuss this first, and then we'll come back here. Here, say any blockage in the downstream of the first stage separator outlet. First stage separator.
This is about oil outlet.
Oil outlet.
Oil outlet. Oil outlet line, right?
Yeah.
So any causes, there could be any causes.